What's going on, you sexy fucking animals? We got the green lights, we got the coke and hookers. Could only mean one thing. You enthusiastic, shit-slinging, ass-sniffing motherfuckers went ahead and put your money where your mouth is. The enthusiasm showed in the chart with 143 million in volume. And all thanks to Spidey. Now, Spider-Man had a Thursday preview of 50 million. No movie this year has broke 100 million in the box office. The only one that came close is Spider-Man's nemesis, Venom. And I fucking love that guy. If you guys saw the last Venom, it just had me dying. Yeah, all me. But that Venom did 90 million in the box office. And here we go, guys. We're talking about a Santa Claus rally. But before we even get into that and before we get into the charts, because I know a lot of you are booking your hookers on Tinder tonight, let's go ahead and look at the short interest because things have not changed. Current short interest, 20.33%. The short interest has not changed much. And the current short interest is over 104 million. And you know, I talked about on Twitter how the market is psychological. It's going to fuck with you. It's going to pull at your balls. It's going to make you second guess everything. So, you know, I had a lot of men sliding in my DMs and I don't fucking go that way, bro. But these people were concerned. They were concerned for themselves. They're concerned for their families. And I told them, listen, it's psychological. You believe in the play, the shorts haven't covered. Amy is going to handsomely reward you. Now, I know we're going to have some naysayers and say, well, this isn't 72. This is a far cry from 1,000. This is a far cry from 500,000. I get it. The thing is, if you maintain your position in AMC, you will be handsomely rewarded. Again, we have the shorts at 20.33% short. This is bold. This is a challenge. This is the Bears. They're saying, bring it, you fucking apes. My money's longer than your money. No. Because now we get to spread the message. In fact, I was playing the options chain for a buddy who gave me his Robinhood account, said, here, $4,000. It's my daughter's birthday coming shortly after Christmas. What can we do? Well, AMC came right in time. We jumped in the options as well, made a boatload of money. Congratulations. And you know, she's 17 years old. And she said, Dad, you know what? We're going to take 10 grand, buy a used car. And then we're going to take the remainder of the money and buy AMC shares. Guys, this is the fucking way. My love maker, my baby maker hasn't been this erect since I OD'd on Viagra, like fucking Tigger bouncing on his tail. Now, before we continue, I want to give a birthday shout out to Twitter follower, Uptown Mommy 17. An amazing, strong mother. Her daughter is on the spectrum. Sweetheart, you're the reason why I hold. And aside from the massive green candle that AMC provided you today, I hope you're blowing some other candles. And I hope your lover turns your sex organs into an overstuffed bologna sandwich. Now, let's look at the chart. Let's look at where we stand on the daily. Now, you guys been following this channel. You know, I talked about AMC bouncing off of this significant line here, which was at 20, and we did it in textbook fashion. We also have resistance at 29.12. Ladies and gentlemen, if you were following the charts, I know you were saying to yourself, fuck, how does Review Dork do it? No, I don't do anything. The chart just tells me everything I need to see. So here we have RSI pivoting upwards. We would like to see this break 50. We also see the MACD and the signal line about to make the crossover, and you see that histogram there. The bears are getting weak. So will we see a continuation? Well, that's where we have to go on to the 4-hour chart, and you can see we are firmly on our way with the reversal. We have RSI elevated, and this is something we want to see. This is something that should excite us. But going back to the daily, what we want to do is capture the 200 period moving average. That's this red line here. If we break this, then next stop is going to be the 50 period moving average, which is hovering here at or about 36. So if you guys were wondering, like, wait, how come AMC was struggling to break 30? That was because of this. There is downward pressure. The hedgies don't want to see AMC break this area of significance, but as long as we maintain our enthusiasm, if Spider-Man goes ahead and shatters records, breaks 100 million, you bet your ass we're going to see enthusiasm on Monday, and that's what I am banking on. Now, a lot of people are taking their money out of, let's say, the growth stocks, right? The tech stocks. Yes, those stocks will recover over time. I'm still in my NVIDIA play. I am bullish with NVIDIA. However, people are looking for a safe haven, and the only stock of 2021 that has bucked the trend, that has shown resilience in a way that it can't be understood, it defies logic, is AMC. Now, when we go back to the 4-hour, guys, I will say I would like to see AMC now respect this $28 area as support. Yeah, should we move to the downside on Monday, I do expect a bounce and a continuation to the 50-period moving average. As you guys can see, it's a little different on the 4-hour, but this area right here is at or about $35. So cheers to you sexy fucking apes. If you're not following me on Twitter, I suggest you do so. And before you go ahead and open up one of my tweets or the tweet feed, I suggest you're not drinking anything and you have diapers. It's a warning. But covering the stock market and the broader market does not have to be boring. It can be fun. It could be exciting. And no one's ever going to be sad about making money. Now, AMC, I've said this time and time again, it is psychological. You guys know what you hold. We're going after Kenny's ass. We're going to give you your first BBC, buddy. This is Gabe. I'm signing out. Peace.